Here I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to use here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here upper bar, and here let's open the following list. From the list, let's choose quiet time. This is like Do Not Disturb, and you can simply activate this mode by tapping the quiet time. Here you've got the icon, the quiet time is activated. If you would like to set up and configure the quiet time, let's use upper bar twice again. Hold down on quiet time icon for a few seconds, and now you've got quiet time settings. So here you can also enable and disable manually the quiet time, and here you can automatically also switch on and switch off this mode. So for example, you can enable this mode every weekend, every weeknight, or you can add some other customized rules. Here you can also allow some content, so you can here handle with notifications and repeat callers, and you can also accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, or so from some other group of people. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.